So, very good afternoon to all. So, today's presentation topic is the general strength theory in the white tiger by Irving Adiga. Let me play the presentation. So, in which I am going to applying the strength theory in the white tiger. So, how we can apply the strength theory in the novel White Tiger. So, objective of the presentation and author and text introduction. These are the table of content. Then we move to objective of the presentation. To discuss what is the meaning of strength theory, how we can apply the strength theory in the literary text, how the white tiger is a perfect example of strength theory. And next one is what are the aspect speaks about strength theory in the white tiger. So, the White Tiger, as we know, that written by Arvind Adiga. He was Indian writer and journalist. His articles have appeared in publications such as the New Yorker, the Sunday Times, the Financial Times, and the Times of India. The White Tiger is published in 2018 and also won the Man Booker Prize in the same year, 2008. The novel examines the issue of religion, caste, loyalty, corruption, and poverty in India. The novel deals with the practicality of Indian lives and discover the grayer shade of human nature, needs, and desire. So, what is strength theory? Strength theory is psychology and criminology theory developed in 1932 by Robert Merton. Strength theory basically said that social structure within society may pressure the citizens or individual to commit a crime. And also, Robert Merton mentioned that harder time of minority group of achieve better education and respectful lives. Merton added that when individuals are faced with a gap between their goals and their current status, uh, there is strain occurs. So now looking forward, what is the general strength theory? So general strength theory developed in 1992 by Robert Engle. Here in this theory, we find that that is slightly different from straight theory. Here, the basic fundamental is a significant amount of empirical evidence and has also expanded its primary scope by offering explanation of phenomena outside of criminal behavior. And also, there is one important thing that in general strength theory, that is emotion as the motivator for crime. Which type of emotion, which is motivate particular individual to leads toward or committing a crime. The core idea of general strength theory is that people who experience strain or stress become distressed or upset, which may lead them to commit a crime. So, general strength theory and the white tiger. Here we know that the protagonist is Balram Halwai, who was the victim of Indian society. So here we have to look at on the aspect of that how Balram Halwai himself faces negative experience and which type of pressure he himself get from society. He was mistreated by upper class society. He is portrayed as an untouchable, marginalized, dehumanized, and oppressed person. Basic human tendency work here. If you have power and money, then and then you will get respect. As we know that in Gujarati we have a proverb that નાણા વગરનો ના થયો ને નાણે ના થાલાલ. So if you have money and power, then and then you uh, uh, have respect in a society. So here are three main sources of strain that is given by Raymond Patternster. So here there is first one strain is loss of positive stimuli. So as we know that Balram Halwai faces his father's death in the early age. The second is presentation of negative stimuli. So in which we find that a physical and negative physical and verbal assailant, or you can say the physical and verbal attack on him. The character, the stockmaster and his brother, they all are verbally and physically abuse Balram Halwai. So the third one is the inability to reach a desired goal. As we know that Balram Halwai do not have a power to reach certain goals. So these three things happens. These three things is the source of strength theory. So let's further move on the next slide. Which kind of pressure Balram Halwai have? Which kind of negative experience he had felt in throughout the life? He has to leave his early education because of poverty. His father died because of don't getting medical treatment, proper medical treatment. There is a quote from the novel: the disease of the poor can never get treated. My father had TB and it killed him. So poor people don't get proper medical treatment. Working as a servant, he who himself working as a servant in Mr. Ashok's house, and discrimination of laws in India. In India, we find that laws are work differently for poor people and also differently from powerful people. So there is a quote: "A man on a bicycle getting killed, the police don't even have to register the case. A man on a motorbike getting killed, they would have to register that. A man in a car getting killed, they would have thrown me in jail." So this is how we can see that how Balram Halwai faces all the problems and how he committing crime because of these all the negative aspects. So let's jump on the next slide, in which we find that there is Agnew and Brody investigate the different types of strength that women and men experience. In the general strength theory, we find that the Andrew and Brody investigate various sources of strain in women and men. So let's see how. But we have a male protagonist. So how the main characteristic we apply in the character of Balram Halwai. So first one is concerned with material success, thus higher rates of poverty and violent crime. As we know that Balram attracted towards the house, cars and lifestyles of Mr. Ashok. So who we can say that he wants to earn that all things, that why he committing crime, or you can say kill the master. Second one is face more conflict with the peers and are likely to be the victim of crime. As we know that he conflict with Mr. Ashok. With relationship with Mr. Ashok, he had a good relationship with Mr. Ashok, but he also jealous from his character. Failure to achieve goals may lead to property and violent crime. Balram Halwai fails to have various prosperous life. So he had failed to achieve his goal. So these three investigation given by Agnew and Brody and cited from William O. Grundy. So let's jump on the next slide. So, which are the textual evidence that Balram Halwai himself says that why I have committed crime. He himself said that all I wanted was the chance to be a man, and for that one murder was enough. Next is I will say it was all worthwhile to know, just for a day, just for an hour, just for a minute, what it means not to be a servant. So this is the textual evidence. At the conclusion, I want to say that the application of strain theory is clearly visible in the fiction of Arvind Adiga's The White Tiger. Uh, Harihara Sudan and S. Robert Ganomni had published a research paper on that, and they also come to conclusion that the strain theory is clearly visible in the fiction of Arvind Adiga. Murdering is essential in the first stage of Vihal. Says Sartre. Interdicting in the, one go of tormentor and subjugate, getting man did, and others set free. So the poverty space widen in India. Caste-based violence is flashing throughout the country. This nasty circle needs to be broken, and also strategies of admittance from marginalization have to be worked out. So we have to work on uh, work on this aspect. So next is citation. So thank you so much.
Okay, good. It was a good topic also and very well analyzed also. Yeah. Many of you are using a good format of giving objectives, abstract research questions, and this was also a very good way of looking at the white